Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How is everyone? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please write down your
Yes,
names in the
ma'am.
chat box. Oh, that's good.
Okay, ma'am.
And take out your social studies books. We have to finish our lesson 15, human rights.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum. How are you, Khatija?
No, ma'am, it's me, Aisha.
Aisha. Okay, sorry. Your voice and Khatija's voice are similar. You have to mute your mics, okay? When we start reading, you have to mute your mics. And if you want to say something or you want to ask something, just raise your hands in the chat box, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start with Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Before
ma'am.
with the reading, I would like to ask you few questions. What do you understood in the previous lesson? Because we read about what does human rights mean, and we read about a few of the basic human rights in the previous lesson. Can anybody tell me what is meant by human rights? What do you understand by human rights?
To live freely.
Sorry, I
To live freely.
to live freely. Okay. Anybody else? Come on, class.
Everyone has the right to live.
Yes, everyone has the right to live. Very good, Ali. What
Everyone
about the
has
other?
the right to work and to live in freedom and safety.
Yes, good. Is this Musetta?
No, ma'am, Khatija Asif.
Okay, Khadija.
Everyone has the
But
right to work.
you are telling me basic human rights. But actually, what human rights mean? Why we always talk about human rights, human rights? What are these? What are these basically?
These rights are universally known
One
as
paragraph.
human rights.
Yeah. We just read only 1.5 page. In the previous lesson, you people didn't read that? we read about what are human rights. Then we talk about that everyone has the right to live freely. Then we read about that everyone has the right for food, clothes, and home. Okay. Let's see what are the other basic rights. Take out page 89.
Ma'am, lesson number 15.
Yes, page 89. We have to continue with our reading. But please mute your mics because it creates a lot of disturbance and you won't be able to understand what we are talking about. So it's for your convenience if you can please mute your mics. Okay? So today we will talk about children's rights. That we read about the journal basic human rights, but today it's all about children's rights, your rights. You're the children, so you should be knowing what are your rights, okay? So that is page 89. Okay, I'm reading from here, children's basic rights. Please, the one who has the mic on, I will be happy if you please put your mic mute. Arif, please better mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Morning, Arif. But this things makes quite a time to always say you to put the mics mute. Okay, so in order to just avoid the wastage of time, you should be knowing that after greeting and telling and exchanging the views, you should be putting the mics on the mute mode. Okay. Okay, I'm reading from here. The one with the name Galaxy. Who is this? Please mute your mic. आप लोगों को हमेशा बताना पड़ता है बेटे कि आप अपने माइक म्यूट करें, इस तरह आप आगे नहीं पढ़ सकते, ठीक है? ये बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करता है और आप जब तक हम लोगों के माइक म्यूट नहीं होते हमें नहीं समझ आएगी कि हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, so we are reading about children's rights. It's all about your rights. All children are born free and each should be treated equally. They have reason and conscience and to act towards one another in a friendly manner. So, you are the children, you are born free, and you have the right to be treated freely. Please, I do appreciate if you put your mics on the mute mode. Okay, so as the elders, so children have the right to live freely and treated equally, and they have, and on the other hand, they should act towards one another in a friendly manner. मतलब जैसे बड़ों का राइट है कि वो फ्रीली रहे, उनको फूड का राइट है, क्लोथ्स का राइट है, शेल्टर का राइट है, इसी तरह as the children, as being a children, you have the right to freely live freely. ठीक है, आप लोग एक दूसरे के साथ फ्रेंडली बिहेव भी करें, बट ये नहीं है कि आप लोग लड़ाई करें. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट द गुड थिंग. The first one, the right to be loved. All human beings need affection, love and understanding. So all human beings need affection. Affection means care. ठीक है, हर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का राइट है कि उसकी केयर की जाए, उसे प्यार किया जाए और उसको अंडरस्टैंड किया जाए. ठीक है, चिल्ड्रन हैव अ राइट टू बी लव्ड एंड केयर फॉर. लव गिव्स अस अ सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, confidence and happiness. Okay, so these are very basic rights that जैसे बड़ों को एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए होती है, उनको केयर चाहिए होती है, इसी तरह बच्चे जो होते हैं उनको भी केयर कंपल्सरी होती है, उनकी भी केयर जरूरी होती है. और उनको क्या होता है, लव गिव्स अस अ सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. सो एक सिक्योर आप फील करते हो कि आपकी कोई केयर कर रहा है, और आप में फिर कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, यू फील हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. ओके, so next is the right to education. Every children, boy or girl, has the right to go to school and receive free education. So every child has the right, whether it's a boy or a girl, they have a right to go to school and receive free education. In Pakistan, we do not have free education such as in the European countries. बाहर के मुल्कों में education जो है वो free है. ठीक है, but in Pakistan we do not have a free education. But yes, we have the right. We give right to every child to receive education. But आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत से ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं. ठीक है, to some or the other reasons उनके ऐसे होते हैं कि वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाते, whether it's financial, whether उनके घर में कोई इश्यू है. ठीक है, तो वो स्कूल नहीं, and you should be feel proud and feel lucky कि आप लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि आपके पेरेंट्स जो है वो आपको ये राइट दे रहे हैं कि आप लोग स्कूल जो है वो जाते हैं और एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं. At school, they should be able to develop their talents and should be taught to get on with others, whatever their race, religion or the country they come from. ठीक है, स्कूल में हम बहुत सी बातें जो है वो सीखते हैं. ठीक है, और उसमें क्या होता है, like to develop all their talents, like we have the activities, we organize the activities कि जो बच्चा जिस चीज में उसकी एक्सपर्टीज है या जिस चीज में उसका इंटरेस्ट है, तो स्कूल एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म होता है कि जहाँ पे बच्चों की जो कैपेबिलिटीज होती हैं उनको जो है वो डेवलप किया जाता है, उनको एनहांस किया जाता है. यू मस्ट बी know that, you must be knowing that some of you are good in arts, some of you are good in maths or the other things. ठीक है, तो particularly different fields है जिसमें हर बच्चा जो है वो उसका इंटरेस्ट है, and there are very rare children those show off their talents in all the capacities in all the areas. Okay, and should be taught to get on with others. To get on with others कि आपने दूसरों के साथ कैसे बिहेव करना है और जो चीजें आपके पास आ रही हैं आपने उसको कैसे टैकल. Whatever their race, religion or the country they come from. ठीक है, and then the school is there that teaches you that whatever religion you belong to, whatever race you belong to, or whatever country you belong to, कि आप लोग सारे equally होते हो, ठीक है? You are not कि एक बच्चे को फेवर किया जा रहा है and it is being taught कि आप जो है superior हो और आप inferior, ठीक है? So this is not the thing. Everybody is taught to feel free, to be treated equal. Every child, girl or boy, should be given an equal chance to be prepared for the life ahead. And school also teaches you that whether the child is a girl or a boy, they have the right to see the things equally. ये नहीं होता कि girls को जो है वो किसी फील्ड में सिखाया जाए कि आप लोग ये नहीं कर सकते और boys जो हैं वो superior होते हैं. No. School teaches you the equality. और उनको ये कहा जाता है, and even you must be knowing when we talk about in the class, I always says you that everybody is equal, ठीक है? And I always appreciate when you participate in the class equally, okay? So never think about कि ये girls, I am a girl और मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, and or I am a boy और मुझे ये right है कि मैं ही सारे करूँ. No, this is not the good, ठीक है? Whether you are a girl or a boy, you have the equal right to move on in the life and take the chances, same as whether you are a girl or a boy. Okay? सबके लिए equal ही rights होते हैं और equally opportunities होते हैं. Okay? However, a child should not be forced to study all the time. ठीक है? We have, you know, God has created this universe and he has set time limits. See, the sun has rises on its time, then it descends at a particular time, then moon comes up. So this is the thing कि एक काम हम हर time नहीं कर सकते. You cannot sleep all the time, you cannot play all the time, and you cannot eat all the time. So you cannot, similarly, you cannot read all the time, and children shouldn't be forced to read all the time. You have to set your timetable for study. Okay? An old proverb, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, is true to this day. Okay? So this is an old proverb, you can say it's an old saying. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So if you keep on studying and you keep on learning the things all the time and you don't get the time for play, so you will be obviously, your mind will go in a lazy mood. Okay? So along with study, play is also important. Children should be given time to play games they enjoy and to relax. So this is not the thing that play all the time. Okay? So in short, you have to manage your time. Time for play and time to study. Both goes hand in hand. Okay? Okay. We are now on page 90. Children also have the following rights. So about that, we have the children have the right to be loved, care, and understanding. Then they have the right to get the free education. Now there are some more important rights they should be knowing. The first one is the right to food, clothing, and shelter. Same, the elders are given. The right to medical care and to be first to get relief in a disaster or emergency. Okay, first right of the children is food, clothing and shelter. Then the second right is the right to medical care. The first aid. क्या कभी आपको चोट लग जाए तो you should be given that medical care at first instant. The third one is the right to a name and nationality. They have the right to belong to a country. So whenever, in whichever country you are firstly you are given the name and then you are given the nationality of that country. The right to live in peace and universal brotherhood. The right to enjoy these rights regardless of race, color, gender, religion, or nationality. So you have every right as the elders enjoy. So you should be treated equally, same as the elders. It is very important that we respect the rights of others around us. That's the very important thing. We do not have to say or we ask all the time about our rights, but we have to respect the rights of others. Our world would be much happier place of if all the people enjoyed their due rights. We also need to know and carry out our duties towards others. This is the main or the you can say the very result of all talking about the rights. ये नहीं है कि हर टाइम अपने rights को ही हम लेके बैठे रहें. If you have the rights, you must be knowing कि जो rights आपके हैं वो भी same rights बाकी लोगों पे भी. ठीक है? If you want that somebody should treat us nicely, then you have to treat that person nicely too, first. Okay? So that was all about human rights. And in the next lesson, we will be doing our questions answers and you have to read the chapter again. Anybody wants to ask something?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Is that
ma'am.
clear?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You don't want to ask something I'm asking.
No. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
आंसर्स कब करेंगे?
No, ma'am.
Sorry?
मैम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कब करेंगे?
Hadi, I just told okay, we will be doing the questions answer in the next class. In the next week, okay? Okay? Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am.
See you again. Khuda Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.